Struggling with a slow, flickering laptop screen? It might be your charger. The Dell 65W AC adapter with a 4.5mm tip is designed to deliver consistent power to your Inspiron and Vostro laptops, eliminating those frustrating slowdowns and screen flashes. If you've been searching for a dependable replacement charger, this genuine Dell adapter could be exactly what you need. Here's the story. One user shared how their puppy chewed up their original charger, and they switched to a 45W adapter as a quick fix. But instead of solving the problem, the lower wattage charger caused their laptop to lag and the screen to flicker. After talking with another Dell owner, they upgraded to this 65W adapter and noticed an immediate difference. Their laptop returned to smooth, reliable performance. No slowdowns, no flickering, just seamless use again. This adapter supports a wide range of Dell models, including Inspiron 13 5000 series, 5370, Inspiron 14 5000 series, 5488, 5482, 5480, Inspiron 15, 7572, 5580. 7580, 7570, Latitude 3490, and various Vostro models like 3480, 3583, 5370, 5471, 5481, 5568, and 5581. It outputs 19.5 volts at 3.25A with a 4.5mm tip, so it's important to confirm your laptop's interface matches before purchasing. The adapter comes in non-retail packaging but is a genuine Dell product, ensuring quality and durability. If you're tired of unreliable chargers that slow down your laptop or cause screen issues, this Dell 65W AC adapter is worth a look. It restores your laptop's power performance without any guesswork. Try it when you're ready to bring your Inspiron or Vostro back to life and enjoy uninterrupted productivity.